Hey everybody, this is Jessica from the blog Good Enough and Stuff. Today we'll be making raspberry almond thumbprint cookies. They are really delicious and they'd be great for Valentine's Day, and I tried to make them a little bit more Valentine's Day themed, but it was kind of a fail. But I think you'll really like them though. They're really, really good. And they're fun to make, and the kids can help you with them if you want, or they're just a fun thing by yourself. So let's get started on the cookies. For the ingredients, you need 2 sticks of butter softened, 2/3 cup granulated sugar, half a teaspoon of almond extract, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and mix all of those together. You could also use vanilla extract if you want. If you don't really like the almond extract, sometimes it can be kind of strong. And then you need, for the icing, half a cup of powdered sugar and 3/4 teaspoon of almond extract with 1 teaspoon of milk. And here is the seedless raspberry jam for the filling. Then I was looking for something to make the heart-shaped indents in the cookies, and I found these little heart-shaped pencil sharpeners. And then I just used some plastic wrap to kind of push them into the cookies so they wouldn't really get stuck. And they worked out pretty well. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Mix your sugar and your butter together along with the salt and the extract. And make sure you don't melt your butter like I did. It's better if you use softened butter, but I did not plan ahead and accidentally left it in the microwave for too long. But it just shows how forgiving this recipe can be, because it was still delicious and it works out. Dump your flour in with everything else and mix it up. I cannot mix it with one hand like I'm trying really hard to right here, so I'm going to do this quick snap thing, and now it's done. And then go ahead and try and scoop it one-handed too, and just enjoy how awkwardly painful it is to watch me try and do this. Once you've got all those scooped out, you can flatten the cookie a little bit with your hand, then cover it with a piece of plastic wrap and push into the cookie whatever heart-shaped thing you can find. Look at those little grabby hands. And he finally got some. And Anna very kindly came and put another ball of dough on the cookie pan to replace the one that was stolen. I did intend to make these heart-shaped on the outside as well as the indent in the inside, but I just couldn't quite figure it out, and it was just taking too long, so I gave up and just went with it. Now you want to add the jam to the inside. That one in the middle closest to us does not have enough jam in it for sure, but you just want to make sure that you don't overfill them so that they spill out the sides. Bake your cookies anywhere from 12 to 15 minutes. You just want it to be brown underneath when you lift it up, but not really any color on top, and the jam should be a little bit bubbly. Once your cookies have cooled, mix your powdered sugar, your milk, and your almond extract together. I used vanilla extract instead because I ran out of almond, but it was still good like that. Mix it together and add any more milk you need to if the consistency is a little too thick. You want it to be able to drip off the spoon. And yes, I am using a baby fork to drizzle the cookies with because I didn't want to wash any other ones. These cookies are so delicious. They're a family favorite and a holiday favorite, and I think they would be perfect for a Valentine's Day present or activity. I hope you enjoyed them as much as we did. Alright, and we're back to right by my window so we can get some good lighting. I hope you had fun watching the video, making the cookies. Some of it didn't really work that well, and I'm sure there are people out there who are way more talented than me and making things look just super perfect. So if you try it, please let me know in the comments below, and go over to my blog and post comments and pictures of what you did and share it. I would love to see way better looking cookies than mine. That would be wonderful. But for now and for me, this is just good enough.